Hi guys, welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. Happy New Year to all. Happy 2021 to you all. I hope and pray that you have a healthy, wealthy, abundant and happiness, filled with happiness and a lot of love. This year you have a lot of love, abundance, health, wealth and whatever you wish for. Our today's topic is that how will be your 2021 year will you be able to fulfill your wish this year, and will you be able to manifest whatever you are asking or manifesting, will whatever you are asking or manifesting, will you be able to fulfill it this year? Also we'll see that what else is coming, what is the energy, how will be your 2021 year, and what wish will be fulfilled, or will your manifestation of wish will be fulfilled or not this year. So we have four options in front of us. This is option 1. This is the mala, beads necklace. Okay, option 1. Option 2 is this golden beads, golden mala. Okay, golden necklace, beads necklace or golden mala. Option 2. This is option 1. Sorry, I'll just keep it properly. Option 1, option 2. Option 3 is this white beads, spiritual mala, spiritual necklace, bracelet, beads mala, beads necklace, whatever you called. Fourth is this pearl necklace, pearl mala. Okay, option 4. So you can pause the video, meditate on the video. Option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. Okay, take a break. If you are attracted to more than one pile, you can choose and watch all the piles, multiple pile as well. Okay, if you don't understand how to choose, then you can watch the whole video. And if you are attracted to one pile, two pile, three pile, you can watch all the 2 or 3 piles, whichever pile you are attracted to. More than one pile you can watch, more than one option you can watch. Option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. And don't go that this is my favorite mala, this is my favorite color, this is favorite, this is looking, these beads are looking good. Don't go like that. Listen to your intuition. Close your eyes, and whenever you open your eyes, the first thing your eyes sees, the first option your eyes sees is your intuition. Okay, so go like that. And if you are still confused, you can watch the whole video. Okay, whatever resonates, you can watch it. So let's see how will be your 2021 year will be, and what wish or manifestation is going to come true, or is it going to come true or not. So let's start the video. Happy New Year to all. Let's go. Hello pile 1. If you have chose this beads, this spiritual mala, this spiritual beads necklace, okay, maroon color, red color necklace, let's see what manifestation of wishes will be fulfilled. It will be fulfilled or not. How will be your 2021? Let's see. Whatever energy I feel, I will say to you. Okay. I have chosen 7 cards. Intentionally, I have kept 7 cards in every pile, in all the 4 options. So let's see. 7 is the number of spirituality. Okay, and you have the 7 of cups. First of all, I can see the card. You have 7 of cups. See, in 2021 you will have a lot of options, you will get lot of choices, you will get confused, in the sense of, if you are looking for a partner, life partner, in getting married, then you will have a lot of options, better good options. You will get confused which option to choose. Another thing, if you are looking for a job, for example, you'll get 2, 3 or 4 choices. You'll get confused. Each and every job offer is good. You'll get confused. So a lot of choices you will have this year. Also, if you are working on your own, you'll get a lot of clients, and you'll get lot of choices in how to make money, how to earn money. Those type of choices you will get. even if you are looking for love, you'll get lot of options, you know. So 2021, your first and current and first energy I am feeling is that, you know, you'll have lot of choices, options, whether it is in career regarding, or whether it is in mm, uh, to choose whether it is in personal life, like if you are looking for getting married, or if you want to date someone, you'll have a lot of choices. Okay, I also feel that if you are looking for a serious committed love offer from someone, I can see that that person is coming to you. Knight of Cups card we have received, so I can see the signs of that person is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. That person can be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or somewhere in his or her birth chart there will be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces water element will be there. I can also see a Leo sign strongly. Another signs I am seeing Scorpio, Leo, Taurus, Aquarius, and Cancer, Scorpio, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So yeah, if you are waiting for someone to offer you love, they will offer you their cup in this year, definitely, and very soon, very soon you will see the result. I think in the first half of the month, like in 6 to 7 months, up to June month, you'll get the money situation sorted out and love situation sorted out. That's what I am feeling. I also feel that, you know, you have been very patient all this 2021, sorry, 2020 year, and you have been very patient this many months and this many years. I also feel like that for some of you. You are a very strong personality. If you are waiting for someone to take strong action for you, with you, it will happen. If you want to take action for someone or against someone, it will happen, you know, because strength card we have received. I also feel that, you know, Wheel of Fortune card is at work, so destiny is at work, divine timing is at work. I feel like, you know, you'll have good karmas back. You'll receive good karmas back to you this year. I feel like that. Like if you were very giving all these years, you were very giving in giving your time, or whether you give your energy, whether you give money, whether you give love, so it will all come back to you, and your wish will be fulfilled. If you feel like your nothing is going good in your life right now, everything is, you know, at pause, or at you are feeling stuck, or nothing is going good, nothing is happening in your life, trust me, behind the scenes it is working, and you will see the result in the first half only. So up to June month, you'll see the all the changes are happening in your life. I can see that, I can feel that, because Wheel of Fortune card is very strong, so everything will come to your favor, and, you know, turn in your favor, and change to 360-degree. I can feel that, because currently if you feel like, you know, nothing is going as per your wish, nothing is your wish is not fulfilled, because healing is going on, currently healing is going on, and I think you'll see the result in first half of the 2021. So if you are trying to manifest someone, you will get that person. If you were trying to heal yourself or someone else, it will happen this year, so your manifestation will come true. Wheel of Fortune and the healing card shows me that your manifestation will come true if you are manifesting for someone, or some person, or if you are manifesting for some situation. It can be anything, career, finance situation. So your manifestation will come true this year, your wish will be fulfilled. If you are waiting for someone to offer you love, it will happen. If you are, you know, confused about your life partner, you will get a lot of options. And I think in every area of your life, in every field of your life, whether personally, professionally, you will have a lot of choices. You will have a lot of choices. I also can see some of you, 1 or 2% I am feeling you can be a witch, or you are a good manifester. If you are not a witch, or not a white witch, not a tarot reader, not a psychic medium, I think you are a good manifester, and you can, you know, easily convince and positively influence people. I also feel that you are doing a lot of positive affirmations, and you have done a lot of positive affirmation and manifestation, so it will come true, guys. Remain positive. It is the message from angels, God, universe, that please remain positive this year. If you feel stuck currently, you are feeling nothing is moving on, nothing is going as per your wish, nothing is going as per your want or your expectations, don't worry, remain positive and do continue your positive affirmations and manifestation. It will happen this year. I think on the first half of the year, I feel like your wish will be fulfilled, your manifestation will come true. Other than that, the message for you is that in every moment the universe is conspiring to bring me toward right-minded thinking and the energy of love. See, this is the result of your manifestation. See, a time for healing, and the message is, in every moment the universe is conspiring to bring me toward right-minded thinking and the energy of love. So basically you are going you are going to meet positive people, I feel like that, and you are going to attract positive energies and positive things in your life, I feel like that. Purple and pink color also I am seeing, so maybe your crown chakra is activating, or you are working crown chakra is activating, or crown chakra is activated in this year, I feel like that. I also feel like pink color, so new romance is going to come for you guys. I don't know, in every pile I can see the one person is there for sure. I don't know, some of you, my viewers, I feel like new romance is going to come for you. Every time I feel a lot of pink colors. See, glasses are pink color I am feeling, purple color I am feeling. So basically it is highlighting in my reading. So crown chakra activation I am seeing, your intuition is getting stronger, and your positive affirmation, if you are a witch or not, your positive affirmation and manifestation will come true this year. And I also feel that love is coming, new love as well as a past person as well. Whatever you wish for is coming true, definitely. And right-minded people and energies you are attracting, right people you are attracting. Also people will help you this year. If someone was not helping you, I think this year people will help you, and your patience will be rewarded. Definitely patience will be rewarded. 8 number I am feeling strongly, TRALOIMWXYOLI. These are the initials I am feeling. 8 number I am feeling. Now we'll pull out the angel numbers. Let's see angel number. I'll tell you what is the angel number. You need to look, you need to search on Google, and you need to look for the meaning. I'll let you do that, okay? So let's see what is the angel number. Sorry, I'll just skip. Oh, okay. So you need to check for this. Hold on. 2 angel number we have received. Okay, you need to look for the angel number 55. Okay, 55 or 555, because 5 cards we have received, so you can watch meaning of angel number 55 or 555. And another angel number is 389. Okay, 389. So these are the 2 angel numbers I am feeling for you. Now let's see the charms. If you want to see, I'll let you see. I'm just shuffling. Okay, let's see, guys. I feel like if you wanted to start something creative or jewelry business or something delicate, if you wanted to do your crafting, art, something creative you wanted to do, it will happen this year. If you are planning for a new business, new startup, so then it will happen this year. I feel like that strongly. I also feel that a lot of money coins I have received in my reading, so a lot of money is also going to come this year, and a lot of old people from past will visit you, will contact you. I feel like that. 1 or 2 person who if you are a witch or a tarot reader or some sort of spiritual journey, I think you are on twin flame journey, and you are currently in separation with your twin flame. So there are chances that they will communicate to you. I feel like they are stalking you currently. Camera charm we have received. Currently I am feeling like they are stalking you. Your twin flame is stalking you. If you are on twin flame journey, and if you are a witch or tarot reader, I think you are on twin flame journey, and your twin flame is stalking you. I feel like that, because currently you are in separation. Love charm reverse. So currently you are in separation mode. But five cards we have received, 1 2 3 4 5 in angel numbers. So 5 is the number of change. Butterfly charm also we have received. So I feel like some big changes are going to occur, because wheel of fortune card has come up. So your destiny is at work. Whatever you'll receive this year, or whoever you'll meet, they will be your destined people. Permanently they'll stay in your life, whether it is person, or whether it is a situation. So I feel like a lot of big changes, transformation is going to come. 5 number is very important to you. You can watch the meaning of angel number 555. It is the number of change. That change is near. I also feel, so for some of you are confused in which direction to go, and you will be confused this year. Somewhat you will be confused, because 7 of cups and the what we can say, the guidance charm is also we have received reverse. So in which way you need to go, you have to go, you'll be confused this year, because you'll have a lot of good options and lot of good choices. So after first half of the month, first half of the year, it will be resolved. Your confusion will be resolved, okay? Because your crown chakra, I can see very strongly active, and if it is not, it will be activated, and you'll listen to your intuition, or someone will guide you. So I think your which way to go, or confusion, any type of confusion, stuck situation, you will come out of that situation in this year. See, I am feeling that some of you are like very creative, and different for some of you, if you wanted to travel from in different country, or that will happen this year. I feel like that. Just spend some time in nature, greenery, and listen to some music, because those 2 charms we have received. So I would suggest you to, healing is going on, so spend some time alone. It will help you to get out of the confusion, as well as it will help you relax. So listen to some music, and spend time in greenery, in nature. It will help you soothe your thoughts. I feel like that. This is the charm, which is the very lucky charm, very shubh. In Hinduism, it's called very shubh, very very prosperous. Your year will be very prosperous. I think your throat chakra is blocked, so, or your heart chakra is also blocked. So just healing is going on, and behind the scene it is going, but you will also have to work for that. So you can spend some time alone, spend some time in greenery, nature, listen to some music, healing music. So try to heal your heart chakra and throat chakra, and also crown chakra. So I feel like that. Okay, you'll have some 2-3 friends who's contacting you from past, or a lover. I can see 2-3 options you'll receive. So basically you should spend time in nature. Nature includes animals as well. Nature includes river, water, beaches, greenery as well, trees. So you should spend some time near trees, greenery, animals, near water, whatever you comfortable, whatever is available around you. And or else listen to some healing, soothing music. I feel like that. So your 2021 year is very good. Just what that I feel like, confusion, it is a good confusion will be there, but you'll get the direction at the end. You'll get the direction, correct direction. So just listen to your intuition and crown chakra, uh, and you'll get the correct direction. If you are in separation from your twin flame, they will contact you. Okay, money is going to come, and they are stalking you. They are looking at your pictures, whether they have you have social media or not, they have social media or not, but they are, you know, stalking your pictures, looking at you, trying to get your information, missing you. And big change is going to come. Wheel of Fortune, anything can happen to you, anything good can happen to you. A big change, manifestation, wish will be fulfilled this year. So this is what I feel for you, pile 1. I hope you can see all the cards and you have liked my charm reading, angel number, and tarot reading style. Love and light to you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Hi, option 2. If you have chose this golden mala, golden beads necklace, let's see what is coming up for you in 2021. How will be your 2021? How will you be able to manifest and get fulfilled your wishes? Will be able to get desired outcome this year? Let's see. I have intentionally chose 7 cards because 7 is the spirituality number. So intentionally I have chose 7 number card. So guys, you have faced some type of job loss, money loss, career loss in 2020 or in recent past. I am feeling like that. And some of you have left a home or city or town. I also feel like that. And for some of you, your person has kept you in third party situation, or some sort of relationship issue you have come out of, or you have left that person, or someone has left you and kept you in third party, or left you out in the cold. Some sort of those things I am feeling. Something is lacking, missing, and something has left out in your life, or someone has left you out. Something like that in your life has been going on recently or in 2020. So all this will be sorted out in 2021 year. But currently also I am feeling you are grieving for that person, or for that job, or for that situation, whatever bad has happened to you, whatever. Maybe someone, for some of you, one or two people, I am feeling someone has something stolen in your house or home. I feel like that, something like that. Don't worry, but I feel like 2021 year, I think if you are working on your career or business or job situation, it will going to resolve, guys. If you are looking for a job, you will have it. I feel like currently you are an entrepreneur and you are working on your business, and I feel like most of you who's watching this, you are an entrepreneur. Something you do on your own, some sort of maybe you are an artist, painter, craft, art. If you have something on your own, if you have a own business or something on your own you are doing, it will give you success definitely. Because I can see 1 pentacle, 3 pentacle, and 5 pentacle. So it will growth will be there. Okay guys, don't worry. If you are facing any money situation, I don't think in 2021 year you will facing it. Definitely it will be resolved. If you are working on some sort of project, it will happen. If you are looking for a business or startup, it will happen in this year. And if someone has left you out in the cold, they are now shocked to see your growth. They will be shocked to see your growth in 2021 year, and you'll get the final judgment or justice from the angels. Okay, judgment card is the card of justice from angels. For me, you'll get the justice. Whoever done you wrong, it will they will receive their karma, and you will receive the fruits of your hard work, of your actions, of your whatever you have done good for others. Whether it is in form of time, whether it is in form of energy, whether it is in form of money, anything, in any form you have done good to others or good for others. It can be your relationship, personally, professionally. It will going to give you justice from angels. I feel like that. Money situation will be resolved. I think you should work on your three chakras. First three chakras: root chakra, sacral chakra, and solar plexus chakra. So yellow color chakra, orange color chakra, and red color chakra. So your stability, I feel like you feel that stability is not there in your life. I feel like you are, maybe you are renting an apartment, you are living on rent, some sort of those, and trying to make your own house. And um, stability, security issue is there. Some of you want to get married, so I think you'll get the positive result this year, definitely. I know it is taking too long time. You feel like that, it's been so long, I'm not getting my wish fulfilled. But if you are looking for a home, new home, to buy a home, it will happen this year, guys. From the angels, judgment card we have received, this is the major arcana, so I can assure you, you'll have your wish fulfilled. Whether you are trying to looking for a new house or your own house, or trying to make your own home, it will happen. Trying to get married, it will happen. Trying to create money or create something, it will happen. Some of you are trying for a baby, or you are already pregnant, it will happen, guys. If you are trying for pregnancy, it will happen. Stability, if you are unstable in your money or career situation, guys, it will going to resolve. And I think if you have lost your job, then angels, god, universe wanted you to try something on your own, to do something on your own, to do your own business. That's why your job has taken from you. So you should try something on your own. That's what angels are sending that message for some of you. Try your own business if you have lost your own job. So that is what the message is. Another message for you is that conclusions are within reach, full moon eclipse, and perfect timing. See, I feel like you are feeling like nothing, very slow movement. It's kind of like nothing is changing, or you are feeling like you have been very patient. So for you, answer is that angels are saying that it will happen on perfect timing, don't worry. And this year it will happen. It is work in progress. If you can see this angel, beautiful angel, I can see the rainbow colors as well. For some of you, you have faced some emergency situation as well, because I am feeling the ambulance in the background. So I think for emergency situation you have faced, don't worry, guys. This hourglass, if you can see, it will happen on perfect timing. Angels are working for you. Rainbow I am seeing. Conclusions are within reach. So you'll, in 2021, you will receive money and career situation resolved. Okay, stability, security situation resolved. It is including your relationship issue, stability, security issue. I can also feel that you have been very patient. Still your energy is somewhat disturbed, guys, but don't worry. Okay, the message for you is that the moment I hope you can see, the moment I realign with love, clear direction is presented to me. See, just if you have blocked the heart chakra, and if you have feel like uh, someone has very behaved you with cold heart, and very your heart chakra has been cold and blocked. So work on that, and give priority to love. Everything is going to be fine, guys. Especially I am feeling in your home life, house life, or stability, career, money situation I am feeling. And also for some of you, if you are trying to get pregnant, it will happen. If you are trying for a baby, it will happen this year. I also feel that some of you might have some pet. If you don't have, you should have one pet, and it will take all your stress. I feel like that. And if you are looking for a relationship, stable relationship, like getting married, engaged, it will happen, guys. It will happen. And you are not doing manifestation. I think you are in or lacking in prayers or manifestation. then you should start doing manifestation and prayers. And if you are doing it, then you are not maybe doing it properly or not giving much time to prayers or meditation. So I would suggest you to do some manifestation, positive affirmations, or give some more time to prayers. Okay, let's see the angel number for you. What is the angel number? You need to search these angel numbers on Google. Okay, so I will leave it that up to you. Okay, you need to search it. I won't take out much cards. Oh my god. 111 guys. Angel number 111. So please search this. I think new beginning is going to happen in your life, but exact meaning you search according to your situation. I want you to search 111, angel number 111, and angel number 6. Angel number 6. So important number I'll tell you: 3, 6, 1 and 5. 3, 6, 1 and 5 will be the important number. Maybe someone's birthday, anniversary, important dates, important month. So January month, June month, May month, March month will be important to you, and maybe situation will be changed and resolved and come into your favor in that month. I feel like that. Maybe in June or July or May or March, or some of you April and January as well. So search 111 angel number on Google, and angel number 6 as well. Okay, now let's see the charms. What are the charms for you? I shuffle it on camera, okay, so that you can see. I think you speak very less for some of you. I feel like that. Oh, see, and throat chakra charm has come up. And your heart chakra, you have a lot of love for others, but you have created a wall or shield around your heart. You have a lot of love, or someone has left you out in the cold. I think you should spend some time near water, beach, river. And I also feel that eat some blue color berries, eat some blueberries or blue color food, a cake or something, so it will help you heal your throat chakra. And spend some time near water. I would specifically suggest you guys spend some time near water, beach, resort, whatever it's comfortable to you. Beach, river, resort, water, and it will help you heal your heart chakra. And eat some blueberries, blue cake, or some blue food. It will help you heal your throat chakra, because your throat chakra is blocked. That's what I am feeling. You have a lot of love for others, but you have now created a shield and wall around your heart. And see, I've told you, like you need to work on your sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra, root chakra as well. Red color, yellow color, orange color I am feeling. Red color, yellow color, orange color I am feeling in charms, in cards, in angel numbers. I also feel that you need to work on your heart chakra as well as on throat chakra as well as. Please heal yourself, guys. Please heal, and your heart will fly again. Your heart will be flying again, the same way it used to fly. Whenever you fall in love first time, how your heart beats, that way your heart will fly, guys. And if you have had divorce, or came out of some situation, no celebration is there in your life, like you feel like your life is boring, it will all gonna resolve, guys. It will all gonna resolve. See, again, Wheel of Fortune charm. In first pile I have received the Wheel of Fortune card. In your pile I have received the Judgment and the Wheel of Fortune charm. If you'll be positive, anything can happen. Everything is going to happen according to divine timing and perfect time only. But if you'll be very positive, it will happen very soon. And it will you'll show one way gratitude to God and angels and your spirit guides, ancestor, that you are very grateful. You show some gratitude, it that way you'll attract more abundant and things you in your life. Whatever things you want, or person you want, you'll attract that person or those things more towards you in your life. I feel like that. Don't be so sad. I feel your energy is so sad. You speak also less to people these days, or someone is not speaking to you, or speak less to you. So please work on your throat chakra, heart chakra, sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra, and root chakra. I feel like your uh, five chakra is out of balance. I won't say blocked or damaged, but out of balance. So please work on it and it will be better, guys. Don't worry. If you are waiting for someone's communication, this year it will happen, and you will see some celebration in regarding marriage life as well, in committed relationship. If you have faced any divorce or problem in marriage, guys, don't worry, it will all happen according to divine timing, perfect timing, and in your favor. And in your favor, judgment card we have received. Angels will give you justice, but just show some gratitude and heal your heart. Everything will be fine, guys. Spend some time near water and eat some blueberries, blue cake, blue food. So everything will be fine, guys. So try to do more positive affirmation and manifestation and some prayers. And if you are already working on it, try to do it correctly, or try to give some more time to it. Okay, this is the message for you, and look for the angel number 111 and angel number 6. Okay, thank you so much. This is what I feel for you, pile 2. I hope that you have the healthy and wealthy life this year. Thank you so much. Hi, pile 3. If you have chose this spiritual bracelet, beads, mala, necklace, whatever you call, bracelet, mala, beads, let's see how will be your 2021 year. 2021 year will be, what manifestation or will your wish or desired outcome will happen. I have chose 7 cards intentionally because 7 is the number of spirituality. So I have kept intentionally the 7 cards. I have chose 7 cards from different decks. So let's see, guys. You can be a tarot reader, which you can be a very warm-hearted person, very kind and very kind and giving nature type of person. You have a giving nature, very compassionate. What's that word? Very kind person, very honest person. You can be a tarot reader, empath, light worker, a healer, and you are a very creative person as well. I can also feel that some of you are working in legal system. You can be advocate, or you are working in the admin department in the court, or judge or something like that. Something regarding courthouse. You can be working in justice system, or if you are not working in the justice system, some sort of court case is going on. I feel like that, and you are waiting for the result for that court case to come into your favor, and it will come into your favor in this year. I feel like that in 2021. If you are going to divorce, guys, everything is going to be perfect and in your favor. I feel like that. If you are waiting for justice from someone or God, you will get the justice in this year. If you are a light worker, tarot reader, a white witch, or some sort of spiritual journey, I think this year will be very good for you, because 2 major arcana out of 4 tarot cards, 2 major arcana I have received. So big 2 events will happen to you, and your big 2 wishes will be fulfilled. If you are waiting, for example, if you are waiting for court case to turn into your favor, it will happen. If you are waiting for getting married, it will happen. Or if you are waiting for some sort of justice from God, or some sort of justice from someone who ditched you, or someone you are waiting for justice, it will happen this year. If you have children, you will get some good news from your children, or your children will make you happy, or your child will make you happy. If you are waiting for someone's communication, it will happen this year. If you are waiting for someone to return to you, come back to you, whether it is from long distance, or whether it is from emotional distance or physical distance, or from out of country, it will happen to you. If you are waiting for some sort of courier parcel, it is going to come. If you want to travel and waiting for passport, visas, everything, some sort of those sort of things, it will happen, guys. If you are waiting for your children to communicate to you, or waiting for someone's your child's good health, or some sort of news from your child or children, it will happen. I think for some of you, you are watching, you have a girl child. I feel like that. And if you don't have a girl child, you are not married, then you are girl watching this, I am feeling strongly, I am feeling female energy in this pile. Okay. And some sort of big two events is going to happen, guys. Two big events which will change your life this year. And if you are waiting for success in marriage, it will happen. If you are waiting for success in business, it will happen. If you are waiting for success in money, it will happen. If success overall in your life, I'm seeing in this year, if you are in some sort of spiritual business or spiritual work, you will get a lot of success, especially if you are in spiritual work or business, or if you are a tarot reader or a light worker, you will get a lot of success, name, fame also I am seeing. Expect powerful changes. Why I am saying name, fame you will get? Because expect powerful changes. New moon eclipse card we have received, and success card we have received, definitely. And 2 major arcana from tarot deck out of 4 tarot cards. So justice and the high priestess. So major success and changes, name, fame, worldwide fame. I am seeing world famous. You'll be world famous, or some sort of, you can do something on YouTube, or some sort of creative things you are doing, you'll get success in that, and in this year. And if you are already successful, then it is very good. It will increase, your name and fame will increase. Message for you is that instead of praying for an outcome, I pray for the highest good for all. So I think you were doing some type of manifestation. If I can surely see that, if you are a tarot reader or a spiritual person or light worker, empath, healer, I think definitely you are doing some manifestation. Even if you are not a tarot reader or spiritual person, you are doing some manifestation. So answer for you is that instead of praying for an outcome, I pray for the highest good for all. So they are, angel and God and universe is saying that, don't ask particular thing, and don't pray for the particular outcome. Pray that whatever happens is good. Whatever happens to me, it is good for me. Pray like that. Surrender to the God is the message for you. Another message for you, that and powerful change and success you will receive, whether it is in money situation, career situation. Wow, guys, you guys are big people I am seeing. Maybe you are a celebrity already, or world famous person. Wow, if you are world famous person, please don't forget me, okay? And if you are YouTuber watching this, you are already very famous, you are very strong personality. My God, very strong and big things I am feeling in this pile. I also feel that you also speak very less. You can watch the pile 1, 2, or I think for some of you guys, if you are a tarot reader or some sort of spiritual person or YouTuber or celebrity, I think you have attracted to more than one pile. I feel like that. And if you were attracted to 1 or 2, you can watch those piles as well. So you are a very strong personality, strong person, powerful person I am seeing. I don't think I need to do a reading for you. You are yourself a celebrity, a powerful person, a light worker, healer, tarot reader. You know the things which people don't even understand. They don't even have maturity to understand. You are those things that you know it very well. You speak also very less. Maybe you are a tarot reader because you confidential, you keep your many things in your heart and mind. Confidential things, like confidential things I am feeling you kept in your heart and in your mind. You know a lot of things, but you don't share it with people. Maybe definitely you can be an advocate or a judge, or you can be a doctor as well. For some of you I am feeling doctor, advocate, judge, and tarot reader, spiritual person. Those type of people I am seeing. Definitely. And if you are not a tarot reader or judge or advocate or doctor, I think you should try in those sort of field, justice system, because you are the people who love justice, you are the people who don't like to do wrong with someone. You can be a doctor, you should try to become a doctor, and if not, you should try to become work in justice system, or at least do some spiritual work. You should try to become a some sort of healer. I think your life purpose is very big, those type of people I am seeing, guys. You are going to do good for others. I don't think you should ask for your wish. I think your wish will be already fulfilled, but you'll be able to fulfill lot many people's dreams and wishes. I am feeling like that. You are that much capable, and if you are not, I think you will be that much capable in 2021 year, and lot of things you will realize this year. Oh wow, very big pile, very strong pile. Yeah, 2021 year. Not only 2021 year, but I think your whole life is very beautiful, and you are at the service of people. Those type of strong personality people, I am seeing that. You can fulfill others' wish. If you are facing any money issue, don't worry, it will be resolved, because you need to help lot of other people as well. Don't worry. If you are facing any personal issue, it will be resolved, guys. Don't worry, because you need to help other people. Money wise, energy wise, time wise, it's up to it's up to the person to person, but lot of things are going to resolve for you, guys. I don't think you'll see any trouble in your life after this year. Because from this year, a lot of big changes, big people, big personalities are going to come. As that's what I feel. Very strong vibe I am feeling. Let's see the angel number for you. Angel numbers 2. Okay, one angel numbers for the people who have chose pile 3. My celebrities. For my celebrities. Okay, I think you speak very less. You are dealing with someone who speak very less. One. Oh my god. I think you should watch pile 2 as well. If you are attracted to pile 2 or pile 1, you should watch it. Pile 2 as well, or pile 1. I feel like, because 1 angel number has come in their reading as well. They have received triple 1, and you have received double 1, and you have, what's the synchronicity? You have received, oh my god, another one. My god, please watch pile number 2. Please watch pile number 2, because they have also received triple 1, and you have received also triple 1, and option number 2 also I feel like you should watch. Strongly I feel like, something is hidden and is going to come to the light. If you are not aware about how strong you are, if you are not aware about how psychic you are, in the sense of how spiritual you are, you will be able to and get to know a lot of things about you, about yourself, about life, and about universe, about people in this year. If someone was hiding something to you, it will come to the light this year, in 2021 year. Please watch angel number 111. Something new is going to start for you, and I think two major things are surely I can assure you, two major things are going to happen to you. Two major event or two major things are going to occur or happen to you this year. Whether you are for example, if you want to get married and you want to go abroad, those major two things will happen. Or otherwise, if you want to buy a house, own house, it will happen. Or you want to get married, it will happen. So two big things, big events are going to occur in your life for this year, for sure. I can assure you that. And please watch angel number 111. Search angel number 111 on Google. Spiritual meaning of angel number 111. I think something new is going to start for you, but search on your own. And if you are worried about some partnership issue, if you are married or unmarried, if you want to get married, you will get, if you're single, you'll get double. In the sense of you'll find your life partner. If you are waiting for someone, something, if you are married, some sort of any legal or married life or marriage regarding issue, or life partner regarding issue, partnership regarding issue, it will be resolved this year, guys, for you. Wow. Please look for the angel number 2 and angel number 111. You search meaning from with yourself. I leave it up to you, so that way you'll understand, because you are very already strong and intuitive, guys. Angel number 111 and 2. If you have any issue regarding partnership or marriage, it will be resolved this year. Okay, let's see the charms for you. Your 2021 year is very good, and it is going to be very good. I feel like that. But you speak very less, and I also feel like I don't need to say much to you, because you know a lot of many things already. And two big things are going to occur in your life. Okay, big events. You are a very strong person, and you are going to help others, guys. You are going to become famous or celebrity for sure. Wow. See, very less charms I am receiving, less charms, less cards, less angel number cards. So wow. If you feel that your situation is quite stuck, or something is has been what we can say, how to explain this, if you have some sort of confidence issue, guys, it is going to resolve this year, and you will become very confident, and I think you can be a public speaker, public figure, motivational speaker. You can become that, or a writer, or a good communication. You have a good communication skills as well. So if you have any confidence issue, it will be resolved, guys, because you are a strong personality, a people, like I've said. And if you think something is stuck in your life, it will be removed. Stuck situation, stuckness, stagnant situation will be removed. If you think your life is completely going in the wrong direction, and it is like everything is turned down, and nothing is turning in your favor, opposite direction, everything is going. So I feel like that situation will be resolved. Peace, you'll get a lot of love and peace from people. I feel like that you'll also get a lot of gifts this year, and money this year, from people, or from your business, or from your career situation. Whatever situation was stuck or stagnant, or negative energies will be removed from your life. Negative people, negative energies, stuck situation, stagnant situation, things will be removed from your life. You can be born under 1988 year. If you have faced any name, fame issue, if you want to become a famous, you will become a famous. I feel like that. If you want to earn and make a name and fame and money, it will happen. If you want abundance and money, lot of money in your life, it will happen. I feel like that. 1980 year, dragon year, I am seeing. Maybe in your past life, one of your past life, you were born in Korea, or Japan, or China, or some sort of those countries. You were born under those countries. Feel like that. China, Japan, Korea, Philippines, those sort of countries of people, you were in your past life. I think you guys are old soul. You have lived many lives, not only on this earth, but on different galaxies also. I am feeling abundance, money, success, love, career. What you are lacking, tell me. You are not going to lack anything this year, and in your whole life, everything you are going to receive, because you have faced lot of trouble. And I also feel that you have had a bad childhood, or you have faced a lot of bad things till now. But from 2021 year up to your end of life, I think you are going to do big things for yourself, for people, for the world, for the humanity. Money you'll receive, success you'll receive, name you'll receive, fame you'll receive, help you'll receive, gifts you'll receive, you will help others, you'll come out of the stagnant situation, you'll help people to come out of the stuck situation. New beginning is going to happen. Money situation, marriage situation, partnership situation will be resolved, children situation, child situation, any court case situation will be resolved. Everything negative will be wiped out from your life. Negative people, negative energies, negative situation, negative things, because you are doing something on divine's will. I feel like that divine want you to do something. You people are very positive. I think you should use some perfumes and deodorant, something like that. Fragrance you can use. I think you love also fragrance. You love to use fragrance, but you are not using it from quite some time. I think you should start using it. And if you are not using, then you should use some type of fragrance, or good what's again, perfumes or something like that. You should use fragrance. I feel like that. 9 charms we have received. Something has come to an end in your life, completion. So I think this is the bad cycle and bad karmas and bad people has been removed from your life. I feel like that. My God, your reading is been so long than other piles, but you speak less, but you know more. You are you have a wisdom. You have the knowledge. You have the information, but you speak less. You keep everything confidential. You are a very good person, good people. My God, what to say? But a lot of messages are coming for you, but you speak very less, but a lot of messages are coming. Your reading is quite long than other pile, so everything is good, guys, for you. And in any situation, in any field, or in any area of your life, everything is going to be fulfilled. Your manifestation will be come true. Your wish will be coming true. Your power will be highlighted. You'll know how strong and powerful you are. People will know you. You'll become world famous, or you'll be famous. Good personality you have. You are a good communicator. If you are facing any partnership regarding money situation, court case, or any situation you are stuck in, guys, everything is going to resolve for you. Thank you so much. And please look at the number 111 and 2, and I am also seeing 2020. Please look at the meaning of angel number 2020. Thank you so much. Bye bye. All the best. Love you. Hi, option 4. If you have chose this pearl beads mala necklace, this pearl necklace, wow, it's so beautiful. I loved it. It's so wonderful. Pearl necklace, beads, mala. So how will be your 2021 year, and what manifestation of wishes coming true this year for you? I have kept 7 cards intentionally in every pile, but in your pile, specifically in your pile, the one card is extra. So 8. So 8 number is significant to you. Maybe you have been born in many, you have lived many lifetimes on earth. 8 is the number of karmic and Saturn as well. So you are here on earth to do something, to how to say, to fulfill some dues which was left in the past lives. You are here on earth this lifetime to fulfill some dues from past life. Also, you have the Saturn in your chart. I am feeling like that 8 cards has fallen for you, and in all the 3 piles I have kept 7 cards, but in your case 1 card was extra, so 8 cards total. So 8 numbers might be touching you. I feel like that. Okay. Also over here 8 of wands I am seeing, and 9 of cups I am seeing, and 2 of cups I am seeing. So see, 2, 8, 9. So growth will be there, guys, for you. 2021 year, you are going to rock this year. I feel like that. You will have a lot of good relationship with others. If you are facing any issues in communicating, or if you are facing any issues with good relationship with others, it is going to be resolved, and you'll be communicating, socializing, talking to others, spending some time with your friends, with your colleagues. You'll enjoy this year. I feel like that. Someone wants to talk to you, rush towards you. fight with you, argue with you, love you. Somebody is coming, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. That person can be your soulmate, past life connection. I am seeing Two of Cups. You have a lot of love for that person has a lot of love for you. You might be watching, you are a Leo sign or your person is Leo sign, or Aries, Sagittarius I am seeing, Libra sign also I am strongly seeing, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces I am seeing, Aquarius, Gemini also I am seeing. I'm not seeing earth sign, I am just seeing all the other three element except earth element. I am seeing water element, fire element, and water element, fire element, and another element I am seeing is that air element. So yeah, you think a lot, guys, but currently you are single and you are waiting to be mingle. You are waiting for the perfect partner. They are coming from the past. If you want a past person is coming. If you don't want past person, then also they are coming because Knight of Swords card has come up. But if you want a new partnership, a new person is also going to come for you, guys, don't worry. And if you are already married, you have a lot of love for your partner, and if some sort of issue was there in your married life, everything is going to be resolved. I don't see any issue in this year. Even if there was any issue between you two, it will be resolved and love will be increasing, and day by day I feel like good communication or good news, some sort of communication or good news is coming your way from someone. Someone might travel towards you or try to meet you or try to contact you or communicate to you. They will come to meet you in your country, in your area, in your city, wherever you live. Depends on your situation, person to person. So someone is going to communicate and come towards you, guys. 2021 is a year of the filled with lot of wishes coming true, filled with a lot of dreams coming true. You'll be happy and satisfied with yourself. If you want to be single, you'll be happy and satisfied with yourself. You'll have a lot of good friends, and you'll have true love in your life. In your life this year, I feel like that you'll have true love and a lot of good people and friends around you this year, if you don't have any. Okay. And if you are waiting for some communication or good news, it is going to happen. If you are not waiting for any communication good news, then also it is going to occur from some Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Libra or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. And you are manifesting something. I feel like that you are somewhat manifesting something, particularly one or two things you are manifesting, or at least one thing. I'm surely seeing that you are manifesting one person. For some of you can be a Libra sign or dealing with a strong Libra sign, I'm seeing, because the message of this card is a win-win outcome is focus, full moon in Libra. So in Libra sign, in October sign, I think if you want to get married, you'll get married or engaged with that person, from the past person or with your lover, if you are in a relationship, or if you are manifesting a particular person in your life, they will come. If you're waiting for them to get married to you, I think October month, in this year, October month, in Libra season, or around about October month, you are going to get married or engaged or come into a committed relationship. I feel like that with your lover. And if you don't have any lover, there are chances you get married if you want to get married. A win-win outcome is 4 cards. So whatever you were, sorry, I'm so sorry if you are not seeing it. So whatever you were manifesting, your wish will come true. I think the day or the month, I think October month, round about October month. Okay, opportunity, you'll see, like I've said, you'll get a lot of opportunity. If you wanted to buy some jewelry or gold or diamond or something expensive, you are going to buy this year. If you are waiting to buy a car, if you are waiting to buy a diamond necklace or jewelry or gold jewelry or some sort of costly things, expensive jewelry, or expensive things like car or some sort of expensive things, or gadgets you wanted to buy, it will happen this year. You are going to buy this year. Though I have not received any money charm, but I am feeling like, you know, you'll get a lot of abundance, you'll get a lot of love, you'll get a lot of good communication, you'll get a lot of parties, you'll attend a lot of parties, you'll get a lot of good people, good friends, good karmas back to you. Someone will gift you some jewelry, or someone will give you or buy you some extra expensive costly gifts, or jewelry or gold. You'll be going to buy a gold coin also, I am seeing for some of you. Message for you is that energy flows where my intention goes. I think you are manifesting and you know how to, you know, control your energy and positive your thoughts. So I feel like that your energy is very positive, so you'll receive and, you know, get everything you desired. Oneness is my true nature. I also feel, you know, you are the person, you are a people person, you know, people love you, you are a true leader, you are not a boss or bossy type of a control freak type of person, but you are a leader, true charming personality, good charmer. You know, you make people feel positive. Once you enter the room, people feel attracted to you. You have the different aura, positive vibes, positive aura, positive vibrations people get from you, positive energies are around you, you are the positive energy, people feel positive around you. And this year it will happen to you know, that you are communicating with a lot of people, you'll have clients. If you are doing something on your own, you'll have a lot of clients, you'll communicate, you'll socialize, you'll do party, you'll meet people, you'll travel, you know, you'll focus on self love, you'll focus on your pampering, you'll focus on buying things for yourself, buying a house, jewelry, car. I feel like that. If you are a girl, I feel like most of you are watching, you are a girl. And even if you are watching a man, you watching, so some sort of love or jewelry or car or some sort of offer is coming your way. If you are single, you'll find your life partner this year. True love, soulmate, you'll find this year. And I think you guys are single who's watching this. Most of you are single. If you are married, love will increase in your life. But most of you, I'm feeling that those who have chose this pile, you guys are single, and you'll focus on self love. Even if you are married, you'll have a lot of love with your opposite partner. I feel like that. Wow, I think you are going, you'll go on holidays also this year with your partner, or traveling, or even if you are not don't want to go with your partner, I think some sort of traveling I'm seeing, maybe some near some beach, or, you know, hill station area, or some sort of those areas. Maybe for some of you can go to Dubai, some desert place, I feel like. So you'll be traveling, basically I'm seeing near water, near desert, or near hill station area. Okay, you will be traveling, whether you want to travel out of your state or country or city, you will be traveling if you wish to. And wow, positive vibes I am feeling. Your wish will be fulfilled, guys. 2, 8, 9 and 8 cards. So 8 number, 9 number, 2 number, and 1 number will be important to you. 2, 8, 9 and 1 number I am seeing will be important to you. Okay, let's see. And October month will be important to you. Now let's see the angel numbers. Oh my god, so many cards. Angel numbers for you: 5, 7, 3, 6, 6. Okay, 6, 6. So you need to search angel number 66 on Google. I hope you guys can see. I'm so sorry if you are not able to see, guys. So sorry. So yeah. So if you are, you need to search on Google angel number 66. Okay. Another angel number is 5, 7, and third angel number is 3. So 3 angel number you need to search on Google. I'll keep it up to you. I'll leave it up to you. You search the meaning for that. Angel number 5, 7, angel number 6, 6, and angel number 3. Okay. Now let's see the charms for you guys. Very positive reading. Very positive vibe I am feeling from you guys. You guys are very chirpy, chubby, very vibrant people. You are very talkative also. Very positive aura vibes I am feeling from you guys. you should wear some jewelry. I am feeling like that. I think we'll take out some few charms for you. I think you should wear some delicate jewelry if you wish to. I think and for some of you, you are already wearing some delicate jewelry. You love to wear delicate jewelry. See, and jewelry has come. If you are waiting, I think you are going to buy some gold or diamond or something jewelry, expensive jewelry for yourself. And if you are waiting for commitment, you are going to receive from the love of your life. If you have faced any money situation, guys, in this year, it will resolve slowly, but it will resolve. Okay, initials for you, I am feeling J. Only one initial I am feeling. I also feel that, you know, sorry, H, J is the initial. I also feel for some of you, you are on twin flame journey. 1 or 2% I am feeling you are on twin flame journey. There are chances your twin flame will commit to you, or you'll get married to a twin flame or your soulmate, your partner. I think currently you are for some of you, your heart is blocked currently, but they are going to give you some jewelry gifts. I feel like that, you know, they'll commit to you. If you are on twin flame journey, your person is mirroring you. Initials is H, J. See, definitely you are on twin flame journey. Twice we have received the tree charm. You wanted to create a family with this person. If you are not in communication with your twin flame, they are coming, guys. 2 number in dice we if you can see, I hope you can see, 2 number we have received in dice. So partnership you are going to do this year. Your wish will be fulfilled. You know, you'll attend many parties. I think you love to do makeup. Even if you don't love to do makeup, I think you'll do makeup and visit some parties or functions. I feel like that this year. If you are waiting to get married, there are chances you will get engaged or committed or married this year. Sign, another sign charm has come. Aries sign, like I've said, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Libra, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aquarius, Gemini. And you are very courageous people as well. You know, if you are waiting for some type of safety, security, guys, you will receive it. Key charm we have received. I think you have the key of someone's heart and someone has the key of your heart. So very positive, loving and love type of this is a love reading. I am feeling like that. So whatever situation, stability, you know, in love you were facing, or in money situation you were facing some lack of stability or lack of security, it is going to resolve. Okay, you'll receive the solution. You'll receive the solution. Definitely. If someone was doing some black magic or some politics with you, they are all going to resolve. They are all going to you know, will be removed from your life. I feel like that, and your life will be colorful. That is what I am feeling. You know, you can wear a black stone to protect yourself, or tiger eye to protect yourself, or a black color black obedient stone you can wear. Spiritual stone, black obedient, you can wear. If your heart chakra was blocked, it will be, you know, healed this year, 2021 year. And if you are waiting for some love offer, you will receive it. If you are waiting to get married or some type of contract you are waiting, you will receive this year. If you are waiting for some sort of job offer, you will receive this year. Your wish will be fulfilled. And though I have not received any major arcana or marriage card, but I have received marriage charm. So I think this year at least you will get engaged or get into a committed relationship. Your partnership will be resolved, guys. Definitely you will find your life partner who's going to spend their whole life with you. I feel like that. And you'll do a lot of party and do makeup and, you know, wear a good stuff, costly jewelry, and do makeup, and you'll attend parties, and you'll go to out of country. You'll enjoy at beach, some sort of those things, at hill station. So lot of positive vibration I am feeling for you guys. So this is what I feel for you, pile 4. Your 2021 will be a rocking year. You'll rock, guys, you'll rock this year, and your manifestation will come true, and your wish will be fulfilled, and I hope you get your desired outcome and your desired partner this year, and everything is positive this year. Thank you so much. And please remember, this is a general reading. It will not resonate or match with each and every one of you every time, but I hope for the best, and all the best for 2021 year. If you want to get a personal reading with me, my details are in the description box below, and please suggest some topics if you want me to do on some topics. Thank you so much. Love and light to you. Namaste. Bye bye. All the best.